No! All right. We had that one last week.
Of course.
Sorry, correction. Orbit 25?
Exactly.
Please mind again. For decency, please stand clear of the doors. Handing over 25.
Taking over 25.
Smoothly, smoothly.
So lifelike.
This train has 5 minutes stop.
Uwe, it's full of details.
The carpet, the chair.
Yeah.
Skirting boards. Uwe, great. Oh, this one. Does it work?
Running water.
No.
Sure, in scale.
Waterhouse.
Uwe. But a little bit too big for two of us.
Mummy, now that we've got everything, the house, the dog kennels, a view, then we can also have a child, so to say.
It takes too long.
But here he is, our boy. We have a boy! But he's not here yet. And now, he's standing on platform 2.
Together, Mrs. Auntie.
Gwendolyn, waiting for the train to Schwiebusch.
To the new house home to Daddy.
And to Mummy.
With the real steam train.
Puffing away!
The Black Dragon. Stopping at Copenhagen, Toppen, Schwiebusch, Neusächsischen, Belgischen Country. Next, please. Toppen. Train, waiting on platform 2, will be passing for Warsaw.
If we turn right around, you can see the train to Schwiebusch. And there where the black boxes, there will be a lake.
Yeah.
Sheet of glass, painted blue on the underside.
A little pier.
A ship,
Waves.
fishermen and friends.
And girlfriends.
And here is a place for the dog kennel.
Oh!
Yes.
Mommy, I actually left his favorite toy on the train.
Shh. It's dark. And Thomas has to go to bed now.
Yeah.
Good night.
Bedtime, good night.
Has to sleep now.
Yeah, good night.
Der Mond ist aufgegangen, die goldenen Sternlein brach. What did he say? He'll calm down.
Yeah.
What did you say?
Thomas, you have to sleep now. Eyes shut.
Slowly.
Goodbye. Say something.
Do swidania.
Rubbish. That's Russian. He's been everywhere.
Szczecin, Szapcin, Warsaw.
Oh, look at it.
A small brown dog, very dangerous bites. Small brown dog, very dangerous bites.
Well, then, the world is back to normal again.
Uwe,
Dear,
99.9% of the time, I'm so happy to be together with you. Just with you.
Dirk, no one has it as good as us.